Hey guys, how you doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live and Rich Picks Daily, and I wanted to show you guys what's going on live and interactive with Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin's doing extremely well at 47,400. I'm going to show you guys the chart here over the last year. So I think a lot of people forget that at this time last year, we weren't much higher than these prices. We were only at around 11,000. So we're currently at 47,400. This is very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Ethereum currently at 3,280. Now we do teach and trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. I personally do hold Bitcoin and Ethereum and Doge. Show you guys Doge. Where's Doge at? There's Doge. Doge doing extremely well as well. And Doge, as you could see here, did have this dip, and now it's kind of making this recovery. Let's take a look at this trend line. You can see here it's gone from 17 cents to 33 cents. So it's making a nice recovery, huge explosion up to all-time highs, retrace like most of the market, like Bitcoin did, and coming back up just like Bitcoin is, like Ethereum is. Here's Ethereum here again. Charts all look very similar. Huge moves up, followed by a retrace. And then you see them making this move back up again. I'm going to show you what it looks like here. So very interesting trading from and price action from these assets. I am a shareholder, full disclosure, of Ethereum, Bitcoin, Doge, and Ripple. We'll take a look at these charts. I really believe in trend trading. Trend is your friend. You can follow trends. You can see this huge trend up, followed by a retrace, now trending up again. So momentum is going up. Now you can see here in the RSI that it is hitting the resistance zone over 70 RSI. So that's typically a point of resistance and a very decent sell zone, typically when you get to 70 or higher. So you need to take that in consideration. But the trend is your friend, and the trend right now is up. And you can see it's very similar here with Bitcoin, now trending up. And you can see the trend has been up for Bitcoin pretty clearly. You get to 70 or higher, so you need to take that in consideration. If you guys like these videos, please smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe. This is a new channel. I do want to do a lot of live streams. I do want to do a lot of videos showing Ripple, Bitcoin, showing the price action. I think that cryptocurrencies to me are kind of like stocks on steroids. And I think that you have an opportunity to make a lot of money in cryptocurrencies if you follow them carefully. Now, if you're looking for training advice, you can go to richpicksdaily.com, join our club. We have a free membership. We also have a VIP membership if you need more training, if you like to learn how to trade, if you like to learn how to join a club where we give you education and training and support. Currently over 76 hours of online training and growing every single week. We do live training, live trading. And I mean, look at these moves. Like Ripple's just been on a tear, right? So in the last month, you can see Ripple has been on an absolute tear. More than doubled, almost approaching close to 100 and they're about 150% up right now. So at $1.50, they'll be up 200% in a month. So this is extremely bullish. Clearly, Ripple up from, look at that, 51 cents to where they stand now at $1.28, $1.30 zone. They've been flirting with that $1.30, $1.35 all day. So very, very bullish trend of Ripple. And full disclosure, I do own just under 10,000 Ripple. So Ripple is actually my largest holding now. I'm a big fan of Ripple and their technology. And Ethereum is actually my second largest holding. And I mean, their chart is a thing of beauty too. When you zoom in and you look at these charts, you can clearly see they're all very, very bullish right now. So XRP. Here's XRP. And if we just go to these are the 1 hour charts. If we go to, that's 1 month. If we go to the 1 year, you can see their chart looks very similar to the others, where they had this big move up. And let's just delete that. They had the big move up followed by the retrace, and now they're making their move up again. So very similar patterns with all of these cryptocurrency. So you need to be aware of that when you're trading. You need to be like able to understand the patterns that are happening. So this doesn't just like when it makes a move, it makes a move, you know, and the move that they've made so far is really small compared to previous moves. So if you're a trend trader and you see this trend, you got to look at it and say to yourself, you know, it's made a big move, come back, made a big move, come back, made a huge move, come back, making a big move. So typically when it makes a move, it goes to even higher highs. So all-time highs for this is actually about $3.30. I remember because I was holding it then. And you can see it just made an attempt to go back to that zone. It didn't reach $2. Right now, we're right around like $1.30. As an investor, I'm like thinking that there's a very good chance we could see this go back to that $2 range. That's where I personally would like to be selling. But even at these levels, I've been buying, you know, mostly around 50 cents at this dip here. So on this dip, I was buying, you know, 50, 60, all the way down, I was buying it. So I'm up nicely on this. So as a trader, you got to say, okay, you don't want to be greedy. So you don't want to leave money on the table, but at the same time, you know, you don't necessarily want to sell too soon. So right now you can see huge candles. Those are big buying candles. It's going to be interesting to see if this continues, but if it does, I'm going to hold this as long as I can. At some point, if I see it starts to retrace, I'm going to take my profits. That's how I would be trading this if I was, you know, if I was anybody else. Now, remember, Rich Picks Daily, we're simply for education and information purposes. Please do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about or discuss here at Rich Picks Daily. We are not licensed advisors, okay? Go and consult your advisor. I'm a trader just like you guys. You can see here, I do use the indicators. I do like to use the RSI. And you can see here with Doge, it is trading up at a 75 RSI, which is a clear sell zone. And here's the MACD. Here's the MACD right here. And the MACD is crossing up, very bullish. And right now still pointing up. So everything is still very bullish. So I don't see any reason why this would stop, but we are trading at a heavy RSI price of 73, which is a sell zone. So based on the fact that we know that this is a sell zone, that's my biggest fear here if I was trading this. Now, so if someone said to me, where would you buy Doge? Would you buy it now? I would personally wait for a dip. I would personally wait for a dip. I wouldn't be buying Doge personally right now. You know, I've been buying Doge on dips. I wouldn't be buying something that's trending up. If I was, I'd be trying to buy on, you know, red candles, trying to buy on dips. Give yourself a chance to win the trade. I don't like to chase the green. Anybody has any questions, please feel free to put it in the chat. So we're just looking at we might as well just go to the 1 minute intervals just to make this a little more interesting and entertaining. So this is the 1 minute charts right here. This is Doge. We can actually look at 4 charts, might as well. There's Doge. You know what? Let's remove those indicators so we have a little more space here. There we go. We'll just leave the RSI. And then let's just go to yeah, we'll leave those lines like that. And then we'll go to Ethereum. All right, here's Ethereum. So we're watching Ethereum, Doge, and if we see any breakouts, we'll be able to see it all here live. Here we go. I'd like to get these a little bit lower if I can. There we go. And we'll put Bitcoin down here, BTC. There's Bitcoin. There we go. There's Bitcoin, and we'll look at Ripple, XRP, USD. There's Ripple right there. So those are the 4 charts that I'm personally holding. I do have a couple of smaller positions as well, but these are my 4 main holdings when it comes to crypto right now. And my trading strategy is with these, because I believe in all 4 of them. I think all 4 of them have a chance to be very special coins. I personally like all 4. I think all 4 have some serious potential. So that's why for me, I like these and I talk about them and I own them. So I put my money where my mouth is and I own what I talk about a lot of times. So this is something I believe in. And I think that Doge has huge potential. I think that Ethereum has huge potential. I think Ripple and Bitcoin have huge potential. And I think as traders, you want to look into the future, right? You want to look into the future. And if you look at the last month, I mean, look at these charts. I mean, these charts are beautiful in the last month, right? I mean, Bitcoin's, that's not the 1 month chart for Bitcoin. I don't know why it's not showing that there. Oh, here we go. 1 month. There we go. There's Bitcoin for the month. So you can see like these guys have, there's been a lot of momentum in the last month here for all these charts. So you can see that. And Ethereum, let's see here for the last month. There's Ethereum for the month. So, I mean, you can see everything's been really, really strong. And I don't know why it's not showing Ripple for the month, but I know that is not the last month for Ripple. So it's been straight up for the last month. Here we go. There we go. There we go. So you could see like everything is trended up, right? Everything is trended up. Bitcoin, Ethereum. So we're just going to bounce between them. Doge, Ethereum, like they're bouncing off the page, right? They're not even showing on the page. So that is why I think it's important that everyone's aware of this. And when it comes to cryptocurrencies, it's like stocks on steroids. So you need to know what you're getting into when you're looking at these things. It's like literally they're like stocks on steroids. I love cryptocurrencies, but I think it's important to, in my opinion, invest in the best. It's the same thing with stocks. When you invest in the best, you always give yourself a chance to win. So I think it's important to invest in the best. And if you do that, you give yourself a chance to win. And these are four of the best that I've been watching that I currently own. And the one thing that I want you to realize is all four of them, look at their RSI, right? So the RSI are all in the higher zones. They're not in the 70 RSI yet, but they're, approaching those higher zones. So there is some selling pressure depending on what, when you're looking at this angle right now, the RSI is at the 6, 14, and 24. And it's holding right now. Doge is at a 68 RSI. Ethereum's at a 62 RSI. Bitcoin is at a 55, 56 RSI. And XRP is at a 54 RSI. So still a little bit of room to go up, but definitely in those sell zones where traders are typically looking to sell and take profits. So if you're day trading this, you need to be aware of those areas. That's what day traders look for. If you're a long-term investor, you're probably just chilling, and you might even be looking to just buy on more dips. I mean, that's the way I do it. That's the way I like to trade. And if you'd like to learn how to trade, you can join the club at richpicksdaily.com. We do have a free membership and a VIP membership. VIP members get access to an education center where we have over 76 hours of training and growing every week, where we talk about stocks and cryptocurrencies. We do technical analysis, buy zones and sell zones. Now, remember, when we're doing this, we're always doing our best to give you the best buy zones and sell zones based on chart analytics, previous history, but past performance is not an indicator of future results. So we can't guarantee anything. So it's important to be investing in the best assets, stocks and cryptocurrency, to protect your money and protect your investment. Because when you're investing in the best and the biggest companies in the world, typically the rich get richer, the big get bigger. So you have an opportunity to really protect your money and grow your wealth. So that's really what we talk about at Rich Picks Daily and at Rich TV Live. And if you'd like to join the club, you can subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, follow us on all social media, and join our club. Just go to richpicksdaily.com, set up an account, set up a profile, join the chat online on richpicksdaily.com, where you're going to learn about these cryptos and stocks. And I'm a big fan of cryptocurrency, have been since 2017. We've been talking about cryptocurrency since we started this channel. So we love technology, and cryptocurrency is the new digital economy. So we believe that everyone should be in this digital economy. And I think it is taking over the investing landscape. And I think it's important for people to be aware of what's out there. And these are some of the greatest investments of our generation right now that we're looking at. Bitcoin, starting with Bitcoin, the mothership, and then following with Ethereum, and then Ripple. And now this year's darling has really been Doge, going from a penny stock that no one cared about to a money-making machine that turned many investors into millionaires and probably some into billionaires. So congratulations to everyone on this big run in crypto. I'll be watching it very closely here at Rich Picks Daily. If you guys like these videos, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe if you're live. Put these rockets in your pockets. I think all four have huge potential. I own all four, so obviously I'm a little bit biased when I say that. I'm not suggesting you go and buy them now, try to get them on dips. A lot of people messaging me now, Rich, man, I should have listened and got in earlier. And I'm just like, yeah, I understand, but I don't think it's too late to get into crypto. I think it's really early. The majority of people still don't invest in crypto. I still believe it's a small community of investors that is growing, but I believe it's going to take time for mass adoption to kick in. So while mass adoption is kicking in, the early stage investors, which I still believe are today early stage investors, have the opportunity to really capitalize on this new growing economy. It's a new growing digital economy. So I think it's important for everyone to know what it is, what's capable, and what this sector is all about, because I think it is the future of investing, in my opinion. I love the stock market. I love real estate. I love every type of investing, commodities. But to be honest with you, cryptocurrency really can give you the opportunity to grow your portfolio, grow your account really fast. Like I said, it's like stocks on steroids. So we really focus on cryptocurrencies a lot here at Rich Picks Daily, and we'd love to have you guys get on board. Hope you guys are enjoying your trading. If you'd like to learn how to trade, follow us, join us, subscribe all over social media, richpicksdaily.com, and learn to take advantage of these great moves in the market. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We're bringing the winners, and we bring them to you first. These are 4 huge winners: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, and XRP Ripple. Thanks, guys. Have a nice day. This is Rich from Rich Picks Daily. Subscribe if you're live. I'm out. Peace.